So our toddler was like just chucking books across the room. I did my best to just keep my cool and calmly told him to stop like 3 times, but he kept doing it. And I could like feel myself growing more and more pissed off each time he didn't listen. But I caught myself. I let out a big breath and released the tension that was building up in my shoulders and neck. And then I looked him in the eyes and asked him if I could give him a hug. He said, "I'm okay. I don't need a hug." But I told him, "I'm not okay, buddy. I'm frustrated and angry." So he came right over, gave me a hug, and he told me that he was going to stop throwing books. It was a huge success for me with staying regulated, calmly expressing how I was feeling, and ultimately managing his misbehavior. And the key to it all, I was able to keep my cool, which in the past has been like the hardest thing for me to do when I felt like my kids were being defiant. And if you're ready to do the work that you need to do to show up as the calm parent that you want to be, check out me and my wife's interactive workshop on regulated parenting. You can access Module 1 at no cost, so see our link in bio or comment calm and we'll send you the info.